In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix frame rate drop in Far Cry 6. First, go to CMD, run as administrator. And then here, you're going to write the following command. So ipconfig/flush DNS and then press enter. And then ipconfig/release. And then you can close this down. Now go to settings, graphics. Over here, turn this option on. Find your game here. So if you don't see it here, you can add it. Click add and find the .exe folder and add it. And you will basically click on this drop menu and then select high performance for your game, for the Far Cry 6. So select high performance and turn this on and then close this. Now ensure that you are not running multiple softwares at the same time by going to Task Manager. If you see multiple programs running at the same time, make sure you close them. You want to make sure you have just one game running at a time. So you can close other softwares by right-clicking and then clicking End Task. You can go here to this tab and make sure you disable any softwares that you're not using. So these softwares will automatically start when you start your computer. So if you go to Task Manager and then Startup Apps, you can disable them from here. So if you see any software you don't want to start automatically, just right click on it and then click Disable. And that's it.